I'm going to start doing the balloons for the ceiling. As you would have noticed, there is this hanging up already, but I need to like fill up the whole hallway. Okay guys, so what I have done is I have blown up some of the balloons and tie the ribbon on, and then just put the sticky tape on. I'm going to do one line of the red one, and then I'll need to go to the shop and pick up some more of these ribbons because all the ones I have are completely run out. So I'm using a double-sided sticky tape that I got from Amazon. I would leave the link somewhere in the description box so you can find it and you can get it if you want. The ribbons, I got it from a local store close to my house, and the balloons, I got them from the range. This is the last balloon and I'm blowing today. Let's do it. And that's it. Now it's time to start sticking. Put this away. For now, I'm done with it until further notice. So I'm going to start doing the ribbon. Just excuse the mess. I'm really busy right now. I've not had time for like looking. We're going to start doing it, and this will be like as quickly as I can do it. So time for the big reveal, and this is what the final look of the balloon hallway ceiling it looks like. So I've stuck using just red and greens, and then the lights on the wall. And when I say I am impressed with how this came out, I am so excited. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, like I am so excited. Anyway, so this is the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoy the content of this video. If you did, remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications when I post any upcoming videos. There's going to be so much more of. You get notified, and I would see you guys in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Whether you like the video or not, like, share, and subscribe, because it took a lot of work and energy to put all of this together. So please like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.